Welcome back to another fantastic video. Today we're going to be looking at the salary and benefits of the president and also the presidential line of succession. So starting off with salary and benefits. Currently, the president makes $400,000 a year. That's his salary. And then after that, or in addition to that, he also has some other expense accounts. So things like he has a $50,000 expense account that he can use for other things that he might need to purchase or pay for while he's president. In addition to his salary, he also, of course, gets to live in the White House. He gets access to Air Force One and Marine One, and he gets carted around in a limousine, and he has Secret Service and all of that kind of stuff. So that is the salary of the president while they are in office. Okay. After they leave office, they do get a pension, and a pension, keep in mind, is like a retirement. So their pension is supposed to be equal to a secretary of the cabinet. So, like the secretary of state and treasury and defense and all that kind of stuff. So, as of right now, that salary is about $220,000 a year. So, that's when they retire, they get $220,000 a year. Okay. They also get things like they get money to spend on office space, and they get like a travel account and that kind of stuff. And they also get Secret Service, of course, for the rest of their life. And any children that they have get Secret Service also until they are 16 years old. Okay. And the president's spouse is also eligible for a pension after the president dies. So typically, presidents' widows can get like $20,000 a year after the president dies. Okay. So, presidential line of succession. So, the line of succession was established a few decades ago, and the goal of it is to make sure that there's always somebody who is available to take over for president if something would happen, heaven forbid, to the president of the United States. Okay. So, obviously, right after the president, we have the vice president. But then after that, you have then you have the Secretary of State. Sorry, wait, back up. Vice President, Speaker of the House, President pro tempore, and then we have the Secretary of State, the Secretary of Defense, the Secretary of the Treasury, and the Attorney General. Okay, so on your notes, I want you to put down Vice President, Speaker of the House, President pro tempore, and Secretary of State. Okay. And then we will talk about some examples of presidential succession in class. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know.